Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the LCD screen display on the new iPhone SE 2022, also known as iPhone SE 3. Before starting, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, turn off the phone and undo two bottom screws using a pentalobe screwdriver. Next, to take out the screen, first apply heat to soften the glue on the screen. For this, we are using a heating pad. Once the heating is done, use a suction cup or something similar to lift the front assembly. Next, use a plastic upright tool for separating and loosening up rubber gaskets on the frame. Carefully work around on the edges and keep in mind, do not put too much force to lift the screen. It might damage the internal flex cables. Take out the screen and then remove 4 screws and take out the shield. Next, on the top right, undo 3 screws and remove the protector shield. Next, undo the battery, touch and LCD connectors. And then, to free the screen, disconnect the earpiece assembly connector from the board. When performing the LCD replacement, you need to transfer the earpiece, home button flex and front camera assembly module to the new LCD assembly. Next, undo 3 screws to take out the earpiece bracket. Next, undo 2 screws to take out the earpiece unit. Be gentle and move cable aside while pulling out the module. Next, pull out the front camera flex by applying some heat. Gently pry the cable. Next, remove the home button and flex from the screen. First, remove 4 screws to take out the shield. Then unplug the connector. And then by using a tweezer, gently lift it and pull out the home button and flex through the opening. Next, connect the new screen to the body for testing. Secure the LCD and touch plugs and then the battery. Turn on the device for testing. Once the testing has passed, power off and disconnect all connectors. Next, on the new screen, start placing removed parts. First, place the home button flex through the opening and secure the connector. Next, place the home button bracket by adding 4 screws. Next, place the front camera assembly and earpiece unit on the screen. Be gentle with the cable and ensure the placement. Next, place the bracket by adding 4 screws. and secure the earpiece by adding 2 screws. Next, add the pre-cut water-seal adhesive into the frame. Please note this tape will not completely protect the device against the liquid. Next, clamp the screen to the body. First, connect the front camera assembly plug, and then connect the LCD, touch and battery connectors. Next, turn on the device for verification. Next, secure the LCD bracket by adding 4 screws. Next, secure the earpiece bracket by adding 2 screws. Next, test the screen and remove the protective tape to clamp up the screen. Click in the top section first, then click the sides and the bottom simultaneously. Just make sure to put pressure on the frame sides. Next, secure 2 bottom screws. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.